Hi guys, welcome to today's recipe. We're going to make vegetable rice and how's your day? Okay, welcome. We're going to peel our leeks. Yeah, this vegetable rice will use leeks. So cut your leeks into smaller sizes, and for me I'm using one sized leek, depending on the amount of rice that I'm cooking. Now we cut carrots. I'm using only one carrot because I'm only making like a cup of rice. So slice your carrots into smaller sizes too. Yeah. Okay. Prepare your rice. Wash it. Okay, you measure it and then you wash it. By the time you're done with cooking the vegetables, it will be okay to be added. So for now we are putting some oil, some vegetable oil. Then we use the leeks. For this one we are not using the red onions, we are only using these leeks. It will be enough for this recipe. Get a good mix. Ensure it doesn't burn like mine, but okay, it didn't burn all of it. It didn't burn much. So add your carrots, make a good mix, and then close to wait for them to quiver kidogo. Now I'm adding my already boiled what are many pieces naitwaje? I keep confusing. Are they beans or just peas? Okay, you know what I added. Whatever, it's peas. That's a tablespoon of rice.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Sorry. A tablespoon of salt. Anyway, let me read you our today's verse. It's from Luke 10 verse 19, and it says, as you are adding your rice, you put water, either cold or warm water, and then you let it simmer. So we go to Luke 10:19, and it says, I have given you authority to trample on snakes and scorpions and to overcome all the power of the enemy. Nothing will harm you. That is NIV version. The Bible says nothing will harm you. So in whatever you do, just know you have the authority to do that which you are supposed to do that you purpose to do, with power, with authority, with God's grace, and nothing, totally nothing will harm you. Be blessed. So let our rice simmer, then we serve. It's ready now. See how beautiful it looks. I'm serving with my stew, my beef stew with some peas. Then I've added some salad. My previous video, go to my previous video, you'll see how I made this salad. Then bye, adios.